Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to bang out another card club kit, and this one is the Brighter Days collection, which was recently, I believe in November. So I will be using these items as much as possible, all up, and I'll come back and show you what I made. I will be getting inspiration again from the Stamps of Life gallery, as well as their inspiration cards. And I might use a sketch as well. So stay tuned and I will be back. Okay, I'm back to show you the second club kit that I have banged out. This one I've only made 16 cards, but still, and I still have some paper left over in the card kit, as well as some of the other stuff that comes in the kit. And let's see, so all of my inspiration I got from the Stamps of Life, from their website, from their designers. So this is one of the inspiration cards that does come in the kit that I did use. And so these were the cards that I made, and like I said, I was building up my birthday stash and my thank you card stash, trying to bang out all these club card kits that I have. So this was the second one. Like I said, I have probably about 8 more to go, but here we go. So sorry I missed your birthday. And the insides are all blank, and I just have my little personalization stamp there on the back. There's another one. They're all the same. And there's another. And then the next inspiration I got was this one. And I made 3 of those. There's 1, 2, 3, so 7, and then the others I just got from the website, from their website, and that one, so I'll just speed it up and show you as I count how many I got out of this kit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So for more videos like these, see here. Please consider liking and subscribing, and until my next video, shakas!
These come in. The light is washing it out. Let's see. Is that better? Maybe not. Still too bright. Anyway,